How are you doing, guys? I'm Demi from CJdropshipping. In this video, I am going to compare 6 hot shipping lines for dropshipping in 2020. They are CJPacket, ePacket, CNE, Yanwen, 4PX, and Yanwen Express. I will compare their delivery times, shipping costs, as well as dispute policies. These 4 parts are what we will go over today. The first part is the current delivery times comparison. The second part is delivery times trends in this year, then dispute policies and shipping cost comparison. First, let's see the current delivery times of these 6 shipping lines. We check 20 check numbers randomly for every line to several major countries. This data were processed from real check numbers in the past 2 months for those orders placed on the CJ platform. Because the check numbers picked were just a random part of all, so the shipping times don't stand for all orders. A few may be faster, several may be slower, but this table stands for the general shipping times for these 6 lines. We didn't have many parcels to Australia, Canada, and Italy by CNE. For a precise purpose, I did not provide the estimated shipping times of CNE to these 3 countries. We can see that to all these countries, CJPacket had very good shipping times. CNE and 4PX had not a bad performance, but Yanwen Express and Yanwen had obviously longer shipping times. And ePacket had the longest shipping times, that its fastest times were even longer than CJPacket's slowest times. I saw a comment on the ePacket that the E stands for eternity. Funny, huh? The US is the biggest market for dropshipping, so the delivery times to the US are concerned by many dropshippers. The normal shipping times to the US by CJPacket were 5 to 12 days before the coronavirus and Christmas season. It had delays during the past months. I will share the times in the next part, but now it has very promising shipping times than other lines. Amazing numbers, 3 to 5 days. The delivery times of CJPacket were 6 to 15 days about 2 weeks ago, but CJPacket got a big adjustment these days, got tremendous progress in shipping times. Next came Yanwen. The delivery times were 6 to 14 days in August. The left lines did not have very competitive shipping times. Many of the orders were shipped for more than 20 days by ePacket, more than 15 days by Yanwen Express, and not less than 10 days by CNE and 4PX. France is the second big market of dropshipping business regarding CJ, so the delivery times to France by CJPacket were obviously faster than other lines, 5 to 9 days, many in 5 days. For all the European countries, CNE and 4PX got competitive shipping times as CJPacket. Very good news is the shipping times to Canada were back to normal. 6 to 15 days by CJPacket. It had horrible delays in the past few months. 15 to 25 days by CJPacket, but all the shipping lines still got very long shipping times. Most were not delivered in 15 days. Next, let's check the delivery times trends of CJPacket, ePacket, Yanwen Express, and Yanwen to the US from January to August 2020. I made a line chart. The blue line stands for the shipping times of CJPacket, orange for Yanwen Express, red for Yanwen, and green for ePacket. And there is a table that shows the average shipping days each month for each shipping line. There are missing numbers in some months for ePacket and Yanwen because in these days, few people choose ePacket or Yanwen on the CJ platform. So I didn't have enough check numbers to figure out the average shipping days. I left them blank. From the line chart, we can see that Yanwen Express had a better performance than CJPacket in the first 3 months, but from April, the shipping times of Yanwen Express and Yanwen had great ups and downs, and ePacket had ridiculous long shipping times in May and June due to the quarantine. By contrast, the trends for CJPacket shipping times were on a steady decline. The next part is about dispute policies. Different carriers have different dispute policies. Some have loose policies and some have very strict policies that may take more than 1 week to settle your problem. That is really annoying because your customers are waiting for the parcels and they don't have the patience. CJPacket has a very loose dispute policy. They have a team to follow the parcels that aren't delivered in time, and once found the parcels missing or damaged during shipping, the CJ dispute team will resend or refund on the same day. While Yanwen Express usually takes 8 to 10 days to check the problem and a very long time for disputing, Yanwen also has a long dispute time and a greater chance to lose parcels than Yanwen Express. The last part is about shipping costs. Let's take the normal product to the US for example. For products weighing 100 grams, CJPacket charges $4.40. Yanwen costs 10 cents more, and ePacket is the most expensive one. For products weighing 100 grams, the cost difference is not obvious, but for products weighing 500 grams and 1,000 grams, the cost difference could be $1 to $2. For products weighing 500 grams, ePacket charges the least. CJPacket only costs 2 cents more, but as I showed in the former part, the shipping times of CJPacket to the US are much faster. And for 1,000 grams, CJPacket has the most competitive price. These prices are for normal products. For electronic and battery-contained products, CJPacket, Yanwen Express, and Yanwen cost the same. But please note that ePacket can only deliver normal products. For products containing liquid, cream, and the like, the costs may be different. You can check with CJ shipping calculation. I'll put a just link on the video description below. Now the shipping costs are still very high. They are still coronavirus prices, but the trend is downward, and shipping costs decline steadily. CJPacket is going to adjust its charge in the near future, and the prices will be very competitive. Subscribe to us to get the notifications of shipping news at the first hand. That's the end of today's show. Smash a like to help out with our video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.